Floods are becoming more frequent and more severe worldwide. Flood prediction involves multiple data sources: satellites, sensors, rivers, and terrain. AI integrates satellite imagery, weather data, and terrain information in real time. Physics-based models and AI work together to predict flood extent and depth. Dynamic inundation intelligence for planners, responders, and decision-makers. A scalable, reliable system turning data into life-saving insights. With 6+ years of expertise, global clients, and access to satellite data, Marteck Solutions delivers powerful, real-time AI solutions worldwide.